gym routine. And hey, Billy Bob's gonna tell you all about it.
I love every movement. There's nothing that I would change. She doesn't need improvement. She's much too nice to rearrange. Poetry in motion, walking by my side. Her lovely locomotion keeps my eyes open wide. Poetry in motion, see her gentle sway, a wave out on the ocean could never move that way. I love every movement. There's nothing I would change. She doesn't need improvement. She's much too nice to rearrange.
Yeah, and we're real happy to have this video. Thanks, Megan, for sending this in to us here. We hope you become a great Olympic star someday, like that Claudia Wanamichi from Alabama. Keep it up, honey, and we'll see you on the internet.
She's poetry in